Okay guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be assembling and putting together a taco salad. And it may not be a traditional taco salad, but it's going to be more the way that I like it. It might be missing or including some things that are not traditional, but this is the way that I wanted to make it. And we've got the meat that we've already cooked, and it was cooked in taco seasoning, and it was taco seasoning that we made ourselves, homemade. And in our taco salad, we're going to be adding some. We've got tomatoes, we've got lettuce. You can use whatever lettuce you like. I've used a heart and a half of romaine lettuce, and this is to one medium large tomato. Okay, we've got some done here. We've got some red onions, avocado. We've got some corn that I heated up in the microwave, a small can of corn. We've got some tortilla strips, and these tortilla strips are Santa Fe style. They're a little spicy. And I bought these for the first time 2 months ago, and I forgot all about them because I wanted to add them to a salad. And I'm glad I never used them because I still have them, and they're perfect for this taco salad. We're also gonna use some shredded cheese. Okay, you can use whatever cheese you like. And for the dressing, I've seen recipes that use Catalina salad dressing. I've seen recipes that use Thousand Island dressing, but I'm gonna use Ortega taco dressing because this is what I had. And I did look for the Catalina dressing. I couldn't find it in the grocery store, so but it did have Thousand Island dressing, but I didn't see a video with it until afterwards. So then we've also got some Doritos, the nacho cheese. You can use whatever Dorito flavor you like. I was thinking of using the ones with the ranch flavor. I think that would have been good, but that's fine with these. All right, so it's gonna be a nice crunchy salad. We're also gonna use the regular corn tortillas. Okay, and we're gonna use, and again, the strips. Okay, now I also was thinking of adding beans, because you can add pinto beans, red beans, black beans, basically any bean that you like. But then I was like, I didn't want to put this in the refrigerator and have it, with cold beans. I don't know, that would have been a good idea because there's going to be some leftovers. And also, I didn't get the black olives. I think that would have been really nice in this. But, that's fine. Next time I make it, I'll remember to get the black olives. No, you know what? I did remember in the store. But what happened was that I couldn't find them. Maybe I was in the wrong aisle. I used to be able to see black olives all over the place when I was looking for them. Now they're hard to find. Anyway, so all right, guys, let's start assembling this. If you've made taco salad before, let me know down in the comments that you've made it before. Let me know how you made it, if you made it similar to mine. Again, I've been loving the comments. You guys are very encouraging, and I'm really enjoying getting back to you guys. So please keep that up. And okay, so let's start assembling this. All right, so before we even start this, we should I want to crush up the Doritos in the shells. Okay, the Doritos, I'm just crush them in the bag, but I don't want to crush a whole bag of Doritos because want to leave some maybe for snacking. I want them to be in whole pieces. There's nothing more annoying than little bits and pieces of Doritos or chips for that matter. So this recipe calls for 2 cups of Doritos. But since I'm going to be putting in these shells also, maybe I don't need a whole 2 cups of Doritos. All right, maybe we'll just start with this amount. actually just crush those up manually. Okay. I think that's good enough. All right, and then we've got the corn ones. I think these, well, I was gonna do them by hand, but maybe I should. We'll do 2 of them. Okay, and we'll do these in a bowl. Yeah, I really don't want to use another bag for this one. Let's see if I can just put them in here. Alright. Maybe we'll do 2 more. Okay, that was easier than I thought. Mix them up so we can have a mixture of both. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's begin. Let's move everything out of the way. Put an extra piece of tortilla there. Soft taco shell. Side. Alright, let's put this here. I don't want to forget it. Okay, we're going to use this large bowl. Okay, let's put it right here. Okay, let's see if you can see everything. Alright, let's move it a little bit more. Alright, so let's see, we're going to start with, we're going to add all of our tomatoes and lettuce. Okay, there's some water there pooling in the bottom, so this, I want to make sure I don't get that in the mixture. Let's get rid of this. Okay, we're going to add our corn. Okay, there we go. Okay, and we're going to add all of our meat. I feel like I could have, I also really wanted to add cucumber to this, and I thought I had a fresh cucumber, but I didn't. But cucumber, I would really like cucumber in here. And you know what? This could use more tomato. Yeah, this can use more tomato. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to just slice up another tomato. Okay guys, so I chopped up some extra tomatoes over here. Okay, so that's gonna go in there. Yeah, I noticed that it wasn't quite enough tomatoes. Now, the tomatoes, the avocado I have here, and the red onions are not, I'm not gonna put in here because these are just for me and one of my other sons, because one of my sons does not want avocado and onions in his. So I'm just gonna put everything else in here, and then the onions and avocado will go into my salad and one other person's salad, and then that's it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So this makes a huge portion of taco salad, as you can see. Alright, so okay, I'm going to to add some into one bowl. Okay, you see how it did need more tomatoes? Okay, because you see, now you can see the tomatoes in there before you can see them. Okay. All I did was add an additional half of a large tomato. Okay. So here we go. Then I add this in here. Yep, I'm wishing I had cucumber. Cucumber would really have been nice in this salad. Alright, and then our crushed some of our crushed tortillas and Doritos. And I think I'll put the cheddar cheese on top. Okay, let's see. Okay, we'll mix this up. In here. And some of our tortilla strips. These are a little spicy. Okay, that's what they look like. They're in little strips. Okay, what else did I want to put in here? I wanted to put in here some cheddar cheese. Well, actually, since this one's going to be for me, I will add the avocado. Okay, let's move this a little bit. I will add the avocado and some of the red onion. Avocado, there we go. Okay, we're going to stir that around a little. I feel like it needs a little bit more of the tortilla bits. Okay. So guys, I hope you make this, and I encourage you to try this. It looks yummy to me, so I'm going to taste it. Let's see if I can get a little bit of everything in a bite. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Let's see what. Very good. And you know what I forgot? The taco sauce. So maybe it's a good idea that I did make everything in one bowl. Alright. So here we go. Guys, again, I encourage you to make this. Now let me taste it with the taco sauce. Even better. There you go. Thanks for stopping by.